Hello, I'm JJ Hu from MIT. Our review takes a fresh look at integrated photonic spectrometers, tiny chips that can analyze light with the precision of bulk laboratory instruments. We wanted to go beyond a simple catalog of device types. Instead, we built a unified, physics-based framework that connects all these designs through their fundamental operating principles. This allows us to directly compare different architectures and reveal the scaling laws that govern their performance.
I'm Maarten Peters, the first author of this review. We also looked at how new spectrometer designs are breaking traditional trade-offs between resolution, bandwidth, and size. The most exciting trend is the rise of computational and AI-assisted spectrometers where optical design and data reconstruction work hand in hand. We believe that these chip-scale spectrometers will soon move from research labs into real-world applications, from medical diagnostics and environmental sensing to astronomy and optical communications. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy our review.